Hi children, I am Sunita from Gopalan PU College. I am a maths lecturer. I will be today dealing with trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry, which is very helpful for SSLC board examination. And this chapter carries 6 marks. Now let us, when we go through this trigonometry, we can say that we are dealing only with the right angled triangle. Right angled triangle. Now, when we talk about right angle triangle, we can draw this way as right angle triangle, and some other children will be drawing this way as right angle triangle. You can also draw this way also right angle triangle. Now, we need to fix which is the opposite side, which is the adjacent side, and the hypotenuse side. Now, which the right angle that is 90 degree. When we talk about 90 degrees, opposite to this right angle triangle is the hypotenuse side. And if I consider theta at C, angle C, then opposite to this angle is the opposite side. The other side will be the adjacent side. Now we will go through this triangle. Right angle is at B, so opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse side. And then now if I consider angle to be at angle A, then opposite to angle A is the opposite side, then the other side is the adjacent side. Suppose if I take the third triangle as A, B and C, if I consider this to be a right angle triangle, the opposite side will be the hypotenuse side. And if I say consider angle to be at C, angle C as theta, then opposite to this angle is the opposite side, the other side is the adjacent side. Now children, I think you are very clear with identifying which side is a hypotenuse side, opposite side and adjacent side. Now we will go through the 6 trigonometrical ratios. I will just give a glance of this 6 trigonometrical ratios. 6 trigonometrical ratios are sin theta. Sin theta is opposite by hypotenuse side, and sin theta reciprocal. Sin theta reciprocal is cosec theta. That we can write it as 1 by cosec theta. So we also can write cosec theta as 1 by sin theta. So when we spoke about sin theta, reciprocal is cosec theta, then cosec theta will be hypotenuse by opposite side. Now this is 1, 2. Third one is cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. As cos theta reciprocal is 1 by secant theta, or secant theta is equal to 1 by cos theta. So what is, I have also told this cos theta reciprocal is secant theta. So secant theta will be hypotenuse by adjacent side. Now we are talking about the fifth one, this is the fourth one, and fifth one is tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent side, and tan theta reciprocal is 1 by cot theta. Cot theta is also can be written as 1 by tan theta. And in terms of sin theta, tan theta can also be written as, in terms of sin and cos, tan theta can also be written as sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta can also be written as cos theta by sin theta. I think children, you are very much now understood this trigonometrical ratios. Now I will give a simple trick in the writing the standard angles. Standard angles, here what are the standard angles? 0 degree, we all know that 0 degree is the standard angle, 30 degree is the standard angle, 45 degree is the standard angle, 60 and 90 degree is the standard angle. We are now taking for the 6 trigonometrical ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, secant theta and cot theta. Now there is a simple trick here. You need not by heart the formulas. You can just understand this way. I can write it as, I will start with 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then divide by 4 throughout. Divide by 4 throughout, and then I will apply this square root to all the standard angles. Now for sine theta 0 degree, 0 by 4 is 0, and root of 1 by 4 is 1 by 2. Root of this 1 time 2 times, root of 1 by 2 is 1 by root 2, and root 3 by 4 is root 3 by 2, 4 by 4 is 1. And now we know the first sine theta values. Now when you reciprocate it and write, we are going to write it over here 1, then this says root 3 by 2, then 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. We all know that tan theta is, we have just now spoke about tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So when I take tan theta, sine theta by cos theta is 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2 is 2 get cancelled, it is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1. Root 3 by 2, 2 and 2 get cancelled, you get root 3. 1 by 0 is, 1 divided by 0 is not defined. Now we know that sine theta reciprocal is cosec theta. 0 reciprocal is 1 by 0 is not defined. Then cosec 30 degree, that is 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. 1 reciprocal, that is 1 by 1 is 1. Now cos theta, we know that it is a reciprocal of secant theta. 1 divided by 1 is 1. Root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. Then 1 by root 2 reciprocal is root 2. 1 by 2 reciprocal is 2. 0 reciprocal is not defined. Now tan theta reciprocal is cot theta. 0 reciprocal is not defined. Then 1 by root 3 reciprocal is root 3. 1 by 1 is 1. Root 3 reciprocal is 1 by root 3. Now not defined is 0. Very easy method. Just practice once. Go through the video properly and practice once. Now, okay, now you need to find first one. Find the value of sine 30 degrees plus cos 60 degree. We know from the standard angles, you can find out sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 1. This many times I have asked for 1 mark. Second question, if tan theta is 3 by 4, find sine theta and cos theta. This is also asked many times. They can ask in different methods. They can give the value of sine theta or cos theta and ask you some other trigonometrical ratio. First for this we will draw a triangle, and we know that tan theta is opposite by adjacent side. So when we adjacent side, we know that the triangle, we have fixed this right angle triangle hypotenuse, and if I say this is a theta, this will be the opposite and adjacent. So this is 3 by 4. We need to identify what is the opposite hypotenuse side. A and ABC. If I say A square using Pythagoras theorem, we can say 3 square plus 4 square within the root. 3 square 9 plus 16 gives you root of 25, which is 5. I have found out what is the hypotenuse side. Now it is very easy to find out what the value as is sine theta, or it is opposite by hypotenuse side. Opposite is 3 by 5. This is the value asked. Then we have cos theta. Cos theta is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 4 by hypotenuse is 5. Here this question is asked for 3 marks. Let us solve this question. We need to take LCM. When we take the LCM in trigonometry, we need to take both the denominators, 1 plus sine theta into cos theta. And when we take the LCM, we need to take cos theta into cos theta. Cos square theta plus, if I am going to do this, it will be 1 plus sine theta the whole square. So I will expand this 1 plus sine theta in a plus b whole square form. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So in the numerator we have cos square theta, and I am writing in the form of a plus b whole square. 1 square is 1 plus b square, that is here it is sine theta, will be sine square theta plus 2 into a is 1 and b is sine theta. So it is 2 sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta into cos theta. I am retaining the denominator as it is because I just want to see what I will get in the numerator, so that I can cancel it easily. And we also know the identity. The first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here we have got sin square theta plus cos square theta, which I can write it as 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin theta divided by the same denominator, 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. 1 plus 1 in the numerator is 2 plus 2 sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Then I can take a 2 common, 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 plus sin theta into cos theta. Here I can cancel now the numerator and the denominator. I get 2 by cos theta. We also know that cos theta reciprocal is 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So I am writing here 2 by 2 secant theta, which is RHS. Hence proved. So children, from LHS to RHS we are proving what is asked, and these type of problem. Please go through these type of problems. You might get it for 3 marks. Note these problems, glance it once and prepare well for the examination. Thank you and all the best for your exam.